Let me list the problem of revision. We start solving. Chalo start. First simplify. Recording has started. Simplify -3 into 4 into -5. Second, start simplifying. Simplify wait, -2 into -3 into 4 into -5. Then third, my dear, where is BODMAS? Only one term is there in the bracket. Okay. So find the quotient in each. Find the quotient of. Find the quotient. This is from integer. Find the quotient. Find the quotient. Mine 384 divided by -16. Find the quotient. Then fourth, simplify. Simplify 16 minus 8 plus 4 divided by 2 into 3. Then fifth one, the sum of two integers is -65 if one of them is -32. Find the other. No. Do not write the question. Start solving. We are interested in the answer, my dear. Then add the product of -12 and -15 to the quotient of to the quotient of 120 and 15, 120 and 20, 120 and 24. Then seventh, the product of two integer is -140 if one of them is 35. Find the other. Start solving 7th problem. You have to get the answer. Start complete. Once you 7 is completed, you take. Yes, I will not rub the board. Chalo. But after 5 minutes, I will erase the first part. Because we want to give more problem. My dear, very much clear. Write it. Yes. Get the answer up first. Chalo, what is the answer of first? Yes. Absolutely correct answer. First answer is 60 plus 60. Get the answer. हाँ, 1 minute. Who said minus 120? Yes. हाँ, what is your name? हाँ, Shreya. Division roll number? हाँ, what is the answer? Minus 120. Minus 120 is absolutely correct answer. Very good. Because minus into minus plus plus into minus minus. Then 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24, 24 5s are 120. Answer is minus 120. Who said plus 24? What is your name? What is your name? What is the answer? What is the answer? Plus 24 is absolutely wrong answer. Who said minus 24? What is your answer? Yes, minus 24. Dear, minus sign is there. This is plus, this is minus. So plus upon minus will be minus. Third answer is minus 24. Yes, very good. Great. What is the answer? Chalo, bolo. Bolo. 32 is absolutely wrong answer, my dear. Plus 2 is also wrong answer. 18 is also wrong answer. Do not bluff. Minus 2 is also wrong answer. What you are doing, BODMAS you have to apply. Minus 30. Fourth question. BODMAS you have to apply, my dear. What you are doing? BODMAS, first bracket opening, then minus 2 is also wrong answer. Yes? 2 is wrong answer. Arey, my dear, 1 minute. 1 minute. Who said 14? Sangvi. Yes, what is your name? Seventh type. What is the answer? 14 is the absolute correct answer, my dear. 14 is the absolute correct answer. See this. First you will apply division. 4 divided by 2, 2. Then you will apply multiplication. 2 3s are 6. So 16 minus 8 plus 6. 16 minus 8. First I will minus 8 plus 6. 16 minus 2, that is 14. 14 is the answer. Very good. Very good, Sangvi. So answers are there. First answer is 60. Second answer is minus 120. Third answer is minus 24. Fourth answer is plus 14. How you were getting minus 2? अरे my dear, but mathematics plus minus. Because see this 16 is also there, no my dear. So first 16 minus 8 is 8, 8 plus 6 is 14, or 8 plus 6 is 14, 16 minus 14 is 2. Okay? Wait, you complete all these 7. Now first part I have discussed, so first part I am erasing. Okay, so this we have discussed, so this part I am erasing. Start 5th, 6th, 7th. Meanwhile, let me give you the problem also. 5th answer. Anybody else who has not given any answer so far? No. Who has not given the answer? Who has? Bolo. Yes. First give your name. Minus 33. Minus. Correct, absolutely correct answer. Fourth answer is absolutely correct. 14 is absolutely correct answer, my dear. Yes. Who said fourth answer? Who said minus 33? That girl has said no. Tell me your name first. 7th roll number 16. What is your answer? Minus 33. Minus 33 is absolutely correct answer. Very good. Minus 33 is absolute correct answer. Now go for next. 6, 7. Now let me write the problem. 8th one. Minus 33 is absolutely correct answer of 5th. Minus 33 is absolute correct answer of 5th. My dear, it is very much clear. You see here. Now simplify. Now 8th one simplify. We have seen vinculum bracket also, so that you can take care. 24 divided by 12 minus 9. Then vinculum is there over that. Vinculum is there. Do not forget. Minus 12 minus another bracket 3 into 8 divided by 4 plus. Arey my dear, board is clear. You take your internet. Okay. Which question? 8th one is simplify. Then bracket 24 divided by 12 minus 9. There is a vinculum over 12 minus 9. Okay. Minus 12 bracket close. Then minus continuation. Minus 3 into 8 divided by 4 plus 2. Start solving. Then 5th answer minus 33, absolutely correct answer. That will be my. My dear, you don't do any magic. You are telling me 77 is far behind your answer. It is too far from your correct answer. You are not close to the answer. You are too far. You are सात समंदर पार. Yes, tell me. बोलो. 185, absolutely correct answer. Very good. What is your name? Sandeep Darji. Very good. 185 is the absolute correct answer, my dear. Read the question. Chalo, 7th one. Tell me the answer. Which answer? My dear, you are telling me 105 means, but see, this is a product. Product means multiplication, not sum. You are telling the answer based on you are doing sum, but in the question it is product. Product means multiplication. Okay, so correct. Your answer is 105 based on sum, but in the question it is product. So answer will be different. Yes, anybody? Minus 4. Minus 4 is the absolute correct answer. That will be minus 140 divided by 35. So answer will be minus 4. Very good. Absolutely correct answer. Minus 4. Then solve 8th, 9th. 9th let me give. 8th one answer I will not tell you immediately. BODMAS and Vinculum bracket rule. The product of two integers is minus 180 if one of them is minus 36. Find the other. Eighth one I will tell you the answer afterward. First you solve this. First you solve 8, 9, 10. Then at the end I will tell you the answer. Okay? Then 10th one is evaluate evaluate 16 divided by 8 into 4 minus 3 into 7, 3 into 5. Do it. 8th answer. एक मिनट. No. Answer, they will tell the answer who has completed 10th. No, I don't want. No, I will not listen to him. Those who have. Wait. एक मिनट. What is the answer? Minus 12. Minus 12 is the absolute correct answer. Who said minus 12? Yes. Shreya Veera, very good. Minus 12 is the absolute correct answer, my dear. This will be 12 minus 9, 3. 24 divided by 3 is 8. 8 minus 12 is minus 4. Then this will be 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Minus 8. Minus 4, minus 8. Same sign. You have to add and take the common sign. Answer is minus 12. Very good, Shreya Veera. Correct answer is, Yes. 185. Yes. Answer I have written 185. Absolute correct answer. 185. Yes. Go for next. 9th one. 10th one, the product. चलो. 10th answer बोलो, चलो. 10th answer. Yes, tell me the answer. Minus 7. Minus 7 is the absolute correct answer of 10th. Minus 7. Very good. What is your name? Yes, New City, very good. Minus 7, very good. Minus 7 is the correct answer of 10th. 9th one, bolo. What is your name? Sandeep Darji. 9th answer is plus 5. Plus 5 is the absolute correct answer. So these are the answer. So today we have done the revision of integer. Next time we will do the division of rational number. Okay. Tenth answer is -7. Yes, take it, no problem. Yes, you can take the screenshot, no problem. Very good. So all of you have participated in the revision. Very good. I am very much happy today. All are giving the answer. Very good. Yes. So now it is 9:41. You must be having any other period after this, 9:50. So now we stop here. Next time we will do the revision of rational number. Yes. Now we stop here. It is 9:42. Bye everybody. Bye. This I will upload on the YouTube also.